Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to explore two new words that are sure to add some spice to your vocabulary. But before we dive into today's words, let's start with a riddle. What has 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs in the afternoon, and 3 legs in the evening? The answer is at the end of this video, so keep watching. Now, on to today's words. Our first word is anthropomorphic. Anthropomorphic. Anthropomorphic is a term used to describe something that has human-like characteristics, such as animals or objects that are given human qualities. Think of cartoon characters like Mickey Mouse or Bugs Bunny. They have human-like qualities, like the ability to speak and think even though they are not humans. For example, in the movie Toy Story, the toys are anthropomorphic. They can talk and move around on their own just like humans. Anthropomorphism can also be found in literature, such as when animals are given human-like personalities and behaviors, like in George Orwell's Animal Farm. But it's not just limited to fictional characters. We also tend to anthropomorphize things in real life, like our cars or even computers. It's a way for us to relate to objects on a more human level. For example, if you're having trouble with your computer and you say, "My computer hates me today," that's anthropomorphizing your computer. Here is a sentence example. The children's book featured an anthropomorphic tree that could talk and interact with the characters. Our second word is caucus. Caucus. It's a term that's thrown around a lot during election season. But what does it actually mean? A caucus is a closed meeting of members of a political party or movement. In a caucus, members discuss their party's positions, choose candidates, and make decisions about policy. For example, before a presidential election, members of a political party may hold a caucus to determine which candidate they want to support. This can also be seen in local government, where members of a city council may hold a caucus to discuss and make decisions on policy. However, the term isn't just limited to politics. It can be used to describe any kind of meeting where a group of people get together to discuss and make decisions. For example, a group of colleagues might hold a caucus to discuss new ideas and make decisions about a project they are working on. Here's a sentence example. The team called for a caucus to discuss the challenges they were facing and brainstorm solutions. And now, the answer to our riddle. The answer is a human being. A human crawls on all fours as a baby, walks on 2 legs as an adult, and uses a cane for support in old age. So, there you have it, folks, the answer to our riddle and 2 exciting words to add to your vocabulary. Use these words in your daily life and impress your friends and family. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun word adventure.